I do, yeah. Juggling me boys.
For your information, I've been taking steps to become a better father.
That's good.
Last week, I've been carrying around this bag of sugar.
It is going cold, but we just turned off our because it's like far too hot in here. So, he's in the sun now.
Marie ain't too playful tonight.
He's still on.
And I don't remember her being this granulated.
I'm just going to take him very well.
Well, the doctor said you eat any more babies, they gonna take your foot.
Because you've got so used to it now, haven't you?
Thanks for the rib, Tony.
Alright.